In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page transitions in Wix. Whether you're looking to give your site a fresh feel or simply want to experiment with different design elements, this guide will walk you through the process in a way that's easy to follow and understand. First, let's dive right in by opening your site editor. Start by navigating to your Wix dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing your site. When you're there, you'll see a list of your websites if you have more than one. Choose the site you want to work on and click Edit. This will open up the Wix editor for your chosen site, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the editor, look toward the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a menu packed with options, but the one we're interested in today is Site Design. Go ahead and click on that. Site Design is your gateway to tweaking your site's visual aspects, providing you with the tools for a more customized look and feel. Once you're in the Site Design section, take a moment to scroll down the menu. You're going to want to keep an eye out for an option called Page Transitions. Page transitions add a layer of dynamism to your site, influencing how one page moves to another. When you find it, click on it to explore your options. Now that you've opened Page Transitions, you'll see a variety of transition choices before you. Whether you prefer a smooth crossfade, a dynamic horizontal or vertical slide, or an out-in effect, you'll find something to match your aesthetic needs. If you want a clean, transition-free experience, simply select None. Each option offers a distinct feel, so take your time deciding which aligns best with your site's vision. Once you've made your selection, it's important to finalize your work by saving your changes. This ensures that the new transition you chose will be implemented across your site. At this point, it's not just about making changes, but also about ensuring they enhance your user's experience. Therefore, take a moment to preview your changes. This allows you to see how the transition looks in real time and confirm that it fits the flow of your site. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to update your Wix site with new page transitions. By following these steps, you not only improve the visual engagement of your website, but also refine your overall design strategy. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Remember, experimenting with different transitions can really set the tone for your site, so feel free to explore and find the perfect fit for you.